MikesBikes Practice Round 2 Guide. Hello and welcome to this strategy guide video for the MikesBikes Business Simulation, Practice Round 2. If you're preparing for the competition rounds or entering the simulation for the first time, this video is your go-to walkthrough. We'll cover how to interpret the game, make smart decisions, and maximize your performance in Practice Round 2. Please note, numbers in this video are illustrative and may need adjustment depending on your team's situation. Always check your simulation reports and adapt accordingly. Section 1, Simulation Overview. MikesBikes is a strategic management simulation where you operate a bike manufacturing company. You'll be responsible for making decisions in product development, pricing, marketing, operations, and finance. The goal is to build a profitable, competitive, and sustainable business over several rounds. In Practice Round 2, your company manages two market segments. 1. Adventure bikes, for customers seeking performance and experience. 2. Leisure bikes, for casual users prioritizing comfort and affordability. In future competition rounds, you'll manage up to 5 segments, but for now, we'll focus on mastering these two. Section 2, Key Strategies for Round 2. The practice round is an opportunity to test strategies and understand how each decision impacts your bottom line. Your focus should be on building a solid foundation for long-term growth. Here are the core principles. 1. Product development. Use the perceptual map to align your products with customer preferences. Update product specifications to match segment needs. Don't just keep last round specs, optimize every round. For adventure, focus on performance. For leisure, optimize for comfort and price. 2. Pricing strategy. Set competitive yet profitable prices. For adventure, aim between $1,900 to $2,300, depending on demand and quality. For leisure, pricing can range from $1,500 to $2,000. You may decrease prices by around $50 per round to stay competitive. 3. Sales forecast and AMP, production planning. Analyze last round's sales. If you sold 19,000 units in adventure, aim for a 13% to 20% increase, forecasting around 21,000 to 23,000 units. Plan your production capacity accordingly, set buffer inventory to avoid lost sales. Increase factory capacity by 10 to 20% each round to meet future demand. Section 3, Marketing and AMP, Advertising. A solid marketing mix boosts awareness, increases demand, and supports your pricing power. 1. Advertising. Allocate budget across TV, internet, and magazine based on effectiveness reports. For example, in R2 you can spend, TV, $400,000 internet, $300,000 magazine, $100,000. Increase by 10 to 20% in future rounds. 2. Public relations. Allocate PR budget based on segment effectiveness. For adventure, PR has similar effectiveness as advertising. For leisure, PR may behave differently, analyze reports carefully. A balanced PR budget may look like, adventure, $300,000 leisure, $240,000 3. Distribution channels. Spend on supporting bike shops and department stores. For example, bike shops, $240,000 department stores, $600,000. Ensure retail coverage and product availability. Section 4, Operations Management. Operations ensure you meet demand without overspending. Key elements. 1. Production planning. Avoid stockouts, plan capacity above forecasted demand. Maintain a utilization rate of 80 to 90% for cost efficiency. 2. Process improvements. Setup time, aim for 160 hours or below. Supplier relations, maintain strong relations, around 120 points or higher. Raw material management, increase to 480 to ensure flexibility. Preventive maintenance, set around 727 hours for optimal performance. 3. Workforce planning. Based on your capacity, you may need 90 to 100 workers. Avoid excessive overtime by hiring just enough employees to meet capacity. 4. Quality assurance. Pay higher salaries to reduce turnover and increase productivity. Target salary, $26,000 per worker. Training days, increase from 50 to 60 days per year. O. Inspection rate, increase gradually to 19% for quality control. Section 5, Product Quality and Innovation. 1. High quality strategy. O. Maintain high quality products to justify premium pricing. O. Balance quality with affordability to appeal to target segments. 2. Innovation. O. Update product specs every round to reflect evolving market preferences. O. Track trends on the perceptual map and innovate to stay relevant. 3. Branding. O. Build your brand over time. O. Suggested branding spend, round 1, $1 million, round 2, $2 million, round 3, $3 million. Section 6, Financial Strategy. Financial control is critical. Key recommendations. 1. Monitor cash flow. O. Avoid overspending early. Maintain a reserve of $5 million 10M in cash. O. Don't let marketing or production bankrupt your firm. 2. Debt management. O. Repay debt once you start generating significant profit. O. Keep interest payments low. 3. Share buybacks. O. Consider repurchasing shares if you have surplus cash. O. This boosts your shareholder value, SHV. 4. Capital investment. O. Reinvest profits into factory capacity, quality improvements, and R&D. Section 7, Sample R2 Decision Template. Let's walk through a hypothetical R2 setup for your adventure product. Previous sales, 19,000 units. Forecast, 21,500 units. Planned production, 25,000 units. Price, $2,100. Advertising, TV $400,000. Internet $300,000. Magazine $100,000. PR, $300,000. Support, bike shops $240,000. Department stores $600,000, branding, $2 million, quality salary, $26,000, training, 60 days, inspection, 19%, supplier relation, 120, preventive maintenance, 727 hours. Make sure to check your simulation reports for market demand trends, pricing benchmarks, advertising effectiveness, inventory status, competitor actions. Section 8, Common pitfalls to avoid. Don't blindly copy decisions from a guide, always adjust based on your simulation reports. Avoid overproduction, this leads to high inventory costs. Don't set unrealistic prices that disconnect from product quality. Don't forget PR and distribution support, these drive market share. Never spend all your cash in one round, keep a reserve buffer. Section 9, Expected outcomes if done well. If you follow this approach and adjust wisely, retail sales, $21 million in R2, net profit, $9-10 million, shareholder value, could reach $27 plus, brand awareness, increases significantly, market share, dominant in adventure, strong in leisure. Your overall trajectory should show stable growth in revenue, profits, and shareholder value from R2 forward. Conclusion and AMP, support. In summary, practice round 2 is your training ground. Use this opportunity to experiment, understand game mechanics, and build a winning strategy. Every decision should be based on data, logic, and long-term thinking. If you'd like additional help for rounds 1 or 2, you can reach out via email at emailimbazmbikes@gmail.com or visit the support blog at globeimbazmbikes.blogspot.com. Keep learning, keep adjusting, and most importantly, keep playing strategically. Good luck, and see you in the next round.